Question number 1. The area under a velocity time graph represent. The right option is option C, displacement. Question number 2. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of. Right option is option A, inertia. Question number 3. Potential energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its. The right option is option C, position. Question number 4. The gravitational potential energy of an object at a height h is given by. Right option is option A, mgh. Question number 5. The buoyant force in submerged object is equal to. Right option is B, the weight of the displaced fluid. Question number 6. The efficiency of a Cornet engine depends on. Right option is B, the temperatures of the hot and cold reservoirs. Question number 7. A moving charge produces. Right option is option C, both electric and magnetic fields. Question number 8. A concave mirror produces a real inverted image when the object is placed. Right option is C, beyond the center of curvature. Question number 9. The emission spectrum of hydrogen is. Right option is B, line spectrum. Question number 10. The time taken per half of the radioactive nuclei in a sample to decay is called. Right option is C, half-life. Question number 11. A PN junction diode conduct when it is. Right option is A, forward biased. Question number 12. The phenomena of light changing its path when it passes from one medium to another is called. The right option is B, refraction. Question number 13. The drift velocity of electron in a conductor is directly proportional to. Right option is A, electric field. Question number 14. The direction of the magnetic field around a current carrying conductor can be determined using. Right option is option A, right hand rule. Question number 15. The unit of inductance is. Right option is option B, Henry. Question number 16. The energy required to remove an electron from a metal surface is called. Right option is option A, work function. Question number 17. An adiabatic frost is one in which. Right option is option A, no heat is transferred. Question number 18. The pressure of a gas is due to. The right option is option C, collision of gas molecules with the wall of the container. Question number 19. The wavelength of light in a medium is. The right option is option C, less than n vacuum. Question number 20. The density of water is maximum at. The right option is option B, 4 degrees centigrade. Question number 21. The first law of thermodynamics is a statement of the conservation of. The right option is option B, energy. Question number 22. The force between two parallel current carrying conductor is. The right option is A, attractive if current are in the same direction. Question number 23. The particle emitted during beta decay or. The right option is C, electrons or positrons. Question number 24. The Earth's magnetic field is believed to be generated by. Right option is B, electric current in the molten outer core. Question number 25. The EMF induced in a coil is directly proportional to. The right option is B, the rate of change of magnetic flux. Question number 26. Young double slit experiment demonstrate the. Right option is B, wave nature of light. Question number 27. The power of a machine is the rate at which it. Right option is option B, does work. Question number 28. The gravitational force between two masses is inversely proportional to. The right option is option D, the square of the distance between them. Question number 29. In a cycle process, the change in internal energy of a system over one complete cycle is. The right option is option A, 0. Question number 30. The gravitational force between two masses is inversely proportional to. Right option is option D, the squares of the distance between them.
Don't forget to subscribe Dream E Learning for Science, subject MCQs, informative videos, skill learning, and much more. Please like, comment, and share.